Meet again with me, Farida. Today I will show you how to make jellyfish amigurumi. Please follow step by step how to make jellyfish amigurumi. It's easy for beginner. Okay, let's make jellyfish amigurumi. Okay guys, we start for make jellyfish. The raw one. Make single crochet in the center, 8 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Row 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch single crochet, and the next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 2 times. 1 2 and next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 2 times. 1 2 next stitch 2 single crochet. Replay again until the end and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 7, make single crochet 3 times. 1 2 3 and next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 3 times. 1 2 3 2 single crochet. Replay again until the end. Single crochet 3 times and 2 single crochet. We will have 40 single crochet for total. Row 8 to row 12. Make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 12. We will have 40 single crochet for total. Row 13. We take the back loop. Look at this front loop, this back loop. Front, back. For row 13, we take back loop, just back loop, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, decrease. Again, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet 3 times and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Okay, I finished for row 13. Look, I still have the front loop. Next, row 14, make single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and next stitch decrease. Invisible decrease. Single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and next stitch decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. 15, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch make decrease, single crochet, follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 16 single crochet for total. And then fill the crown. Row 16, make decrease every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 8 single crochet for total. Cut yarn and close by hand. Okay, finish. Make slip knot. Back again, row 12. Row 12. We take front loop now. Make slip stitch the first. And then make single crochet, then make chains 1 2 3, make double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet again, double crochet, then make chain 3 1 2 3 and make slip stitch in the next stitch. Again, next stitch, make slip stitch, make 3 chains 1 2 3, and then make double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, 3 chains 1 2 3, slip stitch in next stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch again and make 3 chains. Replay again until finish. Okay, I finish and close by hand. Cut your tentacle. Make slip knot and then make 41 chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41, and then make single crochet. We skip the first stitch, make single crochet until the yarn, take the yarn and turn off, make single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet until the last stitch, make single crochet, then chain 1, turn your work, the first stitch, make 3 single crochet, 1 2 3, Next stitch, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, replay again, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Next stitch, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, replay again, 3 single crochet, 2, 3. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. Continue, 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet until the last stitch. Okay, I finished for make tentacle and make pink color too. I make 6 tentacle and so tentacle. Okay friends, finish for make jellyfish. Cute, simple. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Please comment if you have a question. See you in the next my another tutorial.